Blow, blow, thou winter wind, by William Shakespeare. Blow, blow, thou winter wind, thou art not so unkind as man's ingratitude. Thy tooth is not so keen because thou art not seen. Although thy breath be rude, hey ho, sing, hey ho, unto the green holly. Most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly. Then hi ho, the holly, this life is most jolly. Freeze, freeze, thou bitter sky, thou dost not bite so nigh, as benefits forgot, though thou the waters warp. Thy sting is not so sharp, as friends remember not. Hi ho, sing, hi ho, unto the green holly. Blow, blow, thou winter wind, by William Shakespeare. This appeared in As You Like It, Act 2, Scene 7. I was asked by someone if this is real outdoor footage that I include with my poetry, and yes it is. It is so cold right now and the wind really is bitter. And I saw the ice out on the lake and I thought you would like to see it. Mary V., Storyteller.